If you have a professional selling plan, you can use the Automate Pricing tool to adjust your prices automatically. This helps your offers remain competitive within the price limits you set. To get to the Automate Pricing tool, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Pricing and select Automate Pricing. You will find two types of predefined pricing rules available to you already. These are the Competitive Price Rule by Amazon and the Business Catalog Rule by Amazon. Next to the rule name, you will see columns for the rule type, a short summary of what the rule does, the marketplaces the rule is active in, the number of SKUs currently enrolled, the status of the rule, either active, processing, or inactive, and the action column. Carefully read the rule summary for each rule to determine if it is right for your business. In addition to our predefined pricing rules, you can create a variety of custom rules to apply to your catalog. To begin creating a custom pricing rule, select Create Custom Pricing Rule at the top of the Pricing Rules page. There are 6 different rule types available to you under the What Type of Rule Do You Want to Create drop-down menu. These are Competitive Featured Offer, Competitive Lowest Price, Competitive External Price, Business Competitive Featured Offer, Business Price and Quantity Discounts, and Based on Sales Units. When you select each rule type from the drop-down menu, a short summary of the rule type will populate. Read each summary carefully to determine which rule type fits your needs. Once you have selected the rule type you want to create, give your rule a short descriptive name. Next, you will need to select the marketplace or marketplaces you would like your rule to apply to. Once you have selected your marketplace or marketplaces, you'll be asked to set the parameters for your rule. A series of questions related to the rule you selected will appear. Read each question carefully and fill in the requested information. If available, hover over the information icon for additional context. You will need to answer all the questions for each marketplace you have selected. Once you have completed the parameters, click Save and Exit. You will see your rule on the Automate Pricing page, underneath the predefined pricing rule. You can repeat this process as many times as you like to create multiple custom pricing rules. To learn how to apply pre-populated and custom pricing rules to your SKUs, watch Automate Pricing, Apply Pricing Rules video in Seller Central. Watch the Automate Pricing, Change or Remove a Pricing Rule video in Seller Central to learn how to edit a pricing rule, pause, resume, or delete it, or review price history. If you are an Amazon business seller, review the Create a Business Pricing Rule help page in Seller Central to learn how to automate business price updates based on changes you make to your consumer prices.